So now that we have users and groups added, we want to maybe restrict what they can do, and this is done through the quite badly named group policy. So again, if we head across to administrative tools, you will find group policy management, and these group policies are enabled for organisational units. The name is a fallback to the old days of Windows NT when we did it to groups. We no longer do it this way. So I open up my forest, open up my domain, open up the domains name. You'll see where OUs are here, and what we're going to do is we're going to stop the Mr. Men accessing the control panel. So what we'll do is we'll create a GPO, a group project policy object, in this domain and link it here, and we'll give it a sensible name, so no control panel, and we don't have a template or a source GPO, so we'll create that there. And then what we need to do is edit it. So the group policy is split into two areas. You have an area for the machines, as you can see, computer configuration, and with an area for a user. So this is a user we want to play with, so we can look up the policies, and this one comes under admin templates, and we'll open up control panel, and across here prohibit access to control panel and PC settings, exactly what we need. So we'll open that up and we will enable it. It does tell us we need Windows 2000 onwards, using Windows 10, and it gives a brief explanation of what it does there. So it'll remove control panel, it'll remove settings, and to try any of the other methods for getting in, it will also stop them doing it that way. So we'll hit OK, and we will close that one, and that's it enabled. You'll notice there's an option to enforce things. That means it cannot be overwritten by another setting. That's not something we will need to do for this one. And there's also an option for inheritance, where it shows you the order it picks up the other group policies from, and it always works its way down from the top as it happens there. But that will switch control panel off for some users.